So the first job's going to be getting these 5 bolts off each side of the existing roof rail. So because these have been in since 1996, I put some penetrating oil on the night before, and luckily for me they've all come loose. So get those factory roof rails off first. I'm definitely going to leave these loose until it's on the vehicle so I can see. Now I've left this piece out because it'll obstruct the bolts going into the roof. So we'll put that on once it's on the roof. Now I just have to add the rubber pads. So it does come with Loctite, but I'm just going to wait until it's on the roof first and all square before I start putting Loctite on. So last step now, you've got your feet, you've got your very high bond 3M tape on the bottom. I'm just going to get it loosely in place first. So you got a bolt and a washer, and on the other side you're going to have a washer and a nylock nut. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the weight slightly and tighten it up that way that all the pressure is just going to be spread evenly on these feet. My locks are the devil. So we've gone from these to this.